In this video I want to discuss about two things. Let me first write the formulas. One is the expected value of x. Expected value of x is the sigma x times the probability of x. This is one formula that I want to show, and this is also basically the mean, and mean is shown by a Greek letter mu. Okay, so mean is something that you have already seen. Mean, as you have seen, as you know, that mean is the sum of the data divided by the number of values. So let's take a very simple example. So let's x. Okay, now the other thing that I want to show is expected value of x squared. Expected value of x squared is equal to the sigma of x squared times the probability of x. And from this we'll go on to find the variance and the standard deviation. So let's take some values of x. So x, let's say it is 2, 3, 3, 3, and say 5. So these are 5 values. And let's find the mean or expected value of x. In statistics it's called expected value of x, which is same as mu. Is basically you add the values, so 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 over 5. Now I'm not going to add and divide by 5, but I'm going to rewrite this like this. So this, can I write this is 2 times 1 plus 3 times 3 plus 5 times 1 divided by 5, sorry. So we can say, well, the expected value of x, which is mu, is 2 times 1/5 plus 3 times 3/5 plus 5 times 1/5. So well, this is your x. Now if you look at this data, 2 is appearing, 2 is happening 1 time. So imagine this is you're rolling, this is an experiment of rolling a die, and you rolled it for 5 times, and the first time you got 2, the second time you got 3, and the third time you got 3, fourth time you got 3, and the last time you got 5. So you can say this is your x, this is your x, this, let's call, okay, this is your x, and this is your probability of x. So we can say the probability of getting 2 is 1/5. Again, this is your x, and this is your probability of x. So what does this number, this means? This means the probability of getting 3 in this experiment was 3/5, and the probability, again, this is x, and this is probability of x. Okay, so well, that is this formula. So what are we doing? We are basically multiplying the x with the probability and then adding them up. So this is same as saying 2 times the 1/5 is 0.4 plus 3 times 0.6 plus 5 times 0.4. So well, what are we saying? This is the probability of getting a 2 is 40% or 0.4. The probability of getting 3 is 0.6, and the probability of getting 5 is 0.4. And then of course you can add them up. So this is 0.8 plus 1.8 plus 2. So that is how much? This is 2.6. 2.6 plus 2 is 4.6. So if you had done this directly, you would have got what? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, plus 7 is 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, and plus oh, I'm making a mistake here. Yeah, this is 5 times 0.4 is 5 times 1/5 is 1 here, so that's a mistake here. I've corrected myself. 2 times 1/5, 1/5 is was not 0.4, it is 0.2, and 3 times 0.6, and 5 times 0.5, 0.2. So this adds to 3.2. Now if you had done it, if you added them up, so 2 plus 3 is 5, 8, 11, 16. 16 on 5 is 32 on 10, which is 3.2. So basically mean and this are the same formula, so but the way in which you do is different. So when you're finding expected value, you add the value of x with the respective probability and then add them up. Sigma stands for the addition of all x times p of x. Now we'll have to, let's find what is the expected value of x squared. Now expected value of x squared is not, you can't use algebra that is same as expected value of x the whole squared. That's one thing that you should understand. So if you want to find the expected value of x squared, it is not the mean squared. Okay, so let's take that same example that we took earlier. So x was 2, 3, 3, 3, and 5. We found with expected value. So if that is x, I can say x squared is just a square of these x's, which is 4, 9, 9, 9, and 25. Okay, so the expected value of x squared is basically the mean of x squared. Okay, so well, that is going to be the same thing. It is 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 25 on 5. So I'm going to apply the same principle. So well, this is 4 times 1 plus 3 times 9 plus 1 times or 25 times 1. Okay, so I have not written in any particular order. So what I have said is 4 is coming 1 times, 9 is coming 3 times, and 25 is coming 1 time. So that is same as writing 4, which is your x squared, times 1/5, which is the probability of getting 4, plus 9, which is your x squared, times the probability of getting 9, plus 25 times 1/5. So again, the same approach. This is your x, this is the x, and this is the p of x. The probability of, no, this is x squared, and this is the probability of x. The same way, this is x squared times the probability of x, and so on. So well, that is same as, let's do it. So let's try to do without the calculator, and let's be as x. So 4 times 1/5 is 2/10, which is 0.2, plus 9 plus 6/10, 9 times 0.6, plus 25 times 0.2. So let me bring my calculator out. So it is 4 times 0.2 plus 9 times 0.6 plus 25 times 0.2, which is 11.2. So this is 11.2, or this is the expected value of x squared. Basically it is the mean of this, so that is same as 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 25 over 5. So let's do it. So again, let's remove this. So let's put in the bracket 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 25 divided by 5, which gives us the same answer, which is 11.2.